pull it in from there. Brinlee Bell out here magnet fishing. Ooh, did you get something, or is it just...
The magnet is this heavy.
Oh. Got the big dog, Brute Magnets, 3600 double-sided. Ooh, yeah, with the thick rope.
This is so heavy.
It's so heavy?
Yeah.
Maybe you got something on there. Tell Kaidin to come help you. Or just do it yourself.
Nope. Nothing. Got it. Yeah, this is so heavy. Nothing.
Nothing? Okay. Nothing.
Nothing. I didn't get any luck either. Alright. Okay, that man is crazy.
Hold on to the end and I'll throw yours all the way out there, Kaidin.
Yeah.
Untwined it all.
Right here. We're gonna untwine. Look, you untwine this.
Well, yeah, that's what I'm saying. You gotta start at this end first.
And fine.
Oh, you got a hand find. Where's the bucket? Go grab the bucket. It's up there. Hand find. We find a lot of hand finds. More hand finds than in the river.
I know, it's crazy.
Yeah. Ready?
It's right there next to a scooter. Wow. Yeah, he throws it far, doesn't he? Oh, and fine.
Oh, come on. Pull your magnet in.
And fine. Shoot.
No, leave the shoe.
If we find the other one, we could probably keep it. What? If we find the other one, we'll have a pair of shoes. Yeah. Yeah, have another
Kaidin, come over here. There you go. You don't have to walk on the rocks, Brinlee. Come over here. Pull it over here on the grass.
Yeah, why don't you try throwing it under the bridge over there?
We can try to go off the bridge, but it's going to be dangerous if we lose a magnet on the bridge. But because it's a metal bridge. Yep. There you go.
No, I want
I see some bubbles out there.
I want to throw the magnet under the bridge.
What you got, dogger? I see some bubbles out there. Ooh, Kaidin's got something.
It might be.
Some trash.
Ew.
What was it?
Hey, I got something.
Oh, you did?
No, it's a stick.
Oh, bummer.
Thank you. Nothing.
Okay. Hold on to the end.
Hey, maybe put it under the bridge?
I'll throw it that way to the bridge.
Yeah, to the bridge.
Okay.
Because that's where somebody threw something, right?
Hold on to
Put
the
the end. Put the end. Put the end.
way over here by me.
Got it. Yeah, that's kind of where I wanted you to throw it, too. Yeah.
What?
I think I just caught something.
You got something?
I think.
You think? Maybe some rocks? Nothing.
Wait, other side. Other side. Other side. Nothing. Nothing.
Okay, hold on to the end. Hold on to the end.
I don't have it.
Ooh, that hurt. Sorry.
No, that was just my boot.
Ah,
Yeah, that
wow.
made, I know, that made its head.